Koffee is back, and after making a quick stop at Jamaica House to try and teach the PM her dance, she threw a post-Grammy party at Mecca, and I was there to celebrate with her. Tonight we celebrate Koffee as she becomes the first and youngest female to win a Grammy.
Up the temperature for them, see.
The Grammy is a platform that people really respect, and I want to say that the fact that we all were nominated, it shows that Jamaica is really doing well, the recognition is there, the work is there, and I'm proud of all of us.
About Koffee being the first female and the youngest person to ever win a reggae Grammy.
Everything, it's history. History, I'm proud of her.
Yo, Koffee is just history. That's all I can say. Koffee is history. Koffee is a legend. Koffee just booked 19 and Koffee is a legend already, you see me?
It was just absolutely amazing. The first time I met her, she had this just certainness about her. She knew what she wanted and she was going for it. I had to introduce her on stage and I was like, I never heard about her before, but when she went on stage, it was just absolutely amazing.
Vote for her too, you know. Yeah, so, yeah. Yeah, man.
So where do you think this is going to put Jamaica in terms of the recognition that we're going to get?
No, well, Jamaica always the way there, you know. On top. Regardless of who or what they want to say. Because regardless of all the popularity where they make other music, all of it comes from dancehall. All of it comes from reggae. So you go.
I think it's amazing. I think it's testament of what's going on in Jamaica. There's some incredible female artists. There always have been. You know what I mean? It's just, I guess, them I get the recognition deserved. But because them have to work 10 times harder sometimes, them 10 times better.
Big respect to everyone in the room. Thank you so much for coming out at such short notice. Thank you so much for the overwhelming support time and time again. Blessings, you people are who make me who I am, especially in the Jamaican scene and in the reggae industry. So I want to thank you all for being a part of my journey, and I pray you continue and that blessings just fall on your right, left hand.
We have to send a special intense congratulations to Koffee. You allow the L and you take the W. She looks so happy. Congrats again, Koffee.